is Cheryl again from the Omaha Children's Museum. And today I thought we'd try to use our eggshells for an art project. If you've already watched my green eggs and ham video, you see how we said to save these. Now, if you celebrate Easter, oh, hi, Sunny. Are you enjoying my artwork? Okay, let's get down here. Okay, so if you celebrate Easter, you might have some dyed Easter eggs after the holiday, and you might want to use the shell for that. If you don't, you can easily dye these eggshells. Make sure you wash them first, and then you can add some food coloring. And I just have a little bit of water here. I'm going to make some orange today. So how do you make orange? You use yellow. Kind of looks orange already, doesn't it? And some red. Just kind of make it whatever color you would like. And then you can add your eggshells to it, like so. You can break them up a little, just so they're all soaked in, just like that. Okay, you can take a toothpick even and push them down so you don't stain your hands. And keep those in there a couple hours or overnight so they get a little darker. I'm going to make some purple now. So what do we need for purple? Blue and red. Okay, then we'll put our shells in here. Now you might want to decide ahead of time what kind of a picture you're going to make, and that'll help make you decide what colors you're going to use. Okay, now you're going to let those sit for a couple hours, and then you'll find out what happens. So I did some of these yesterday, and I made blue and green and yellow. So I rinsed them off and let them dry so they were ready to go. Now we're going to make a mosaic with that. Now a mosaic means you take little things like stones or beads or things and have them have a little bit of separation between, and you kind of glue them down. Well, I thought I should have a little bit of color, so I'm using a paper plate. Maybe at your house you have the back of a cereal box, or maybe just a cardboard box that is kind of doesn't have any writing on it, and you can use that for your mosaic. So I started my flower here, and what you'll do is decide what shape you're going to make and take one section of it and put some glue down. So I need another petal for my flower here. So I'll make the outline with my glue, just like that. Now your glue is eventually going to dry clear, so you'll be able to see a little bit of your background in there also. You can start to see it already because I did this a few hours ago. So I still want some of my blue. So you kind of want to break them into little pieces like this, and then just set them on there just a little bit apart from each other. If the pieces are too big, break them to fit. You can also use your toothpick tool here again and move things around if it didn't get where you wanted it to right away and you don't want to get glue all over your fingers. So you can do that. Move that to the edge, and you're going to keep going all around this part. So I'm going to do this, and then I might even make some leaves with my green. So this is a fun project you could do anytime you make eggs. Thanks for watching. Okay, I let my picture dry overnight so you can see all the little background in between all of my tile. Just wanted you to see that. Hope you have a good time. Bye.